When using gravity instead of an IV pump, you will need to calculate a drip rate, written drips per minute. The drip rate is how fast or slow the medication is infusing, while the drop factor, also called the drip factor, is the number of drops of fluid per milliliter. The drop factor is found on the IV tubing package. So the first thing you're going to do is pick your IV tubing, and when selecting it, you need to look for the drop factor on the IV tubing package. The common drop factor tubing is there's mini or micro drip set. They're used for infants, children, and sensitive medications for 60 drops per milliliter. And then there's the macro drip set, used to deliver large volumes or to infuse quickly. And you'll see they'll either 10, 15, or 20 drops per milliliter. And remember, it takes X amount of drips to equal 1 milliliter. So for example, if you have a 1 milliliter cup and you're using a 60 drops per milliliter tubing, it's going to take 60 drops to fill that 1 milliliter cup. Here's the drip rate formula. It's called drops per minute, or DPM. You just take the total volume to be infused, which is milliliters, and then the drop factor, which you found on your IV tubing package. And then you divide it by minutes, which will give you a drip rate. So let's work a practice problem. The doctor ordered 50 milligrams and 100 milliliters to infuse over 20 minutes. Your IV tubing that you're using is 10 drops per milliliter. What is the drip rate? You just simply fill in the numbers in the formula. So the total volume to be infused is 100 milliliters times the drop factor you found on your tubing, which is 10, and then you're going to divide it over 20 minutes, which equals 20 drops per minute. Hope this video has been helpful to you. For more practice problems, there's a link below to get my book. And thank you again for watching, and please click the like and share buttons.